Okay, so try to understand about two kind of components. We discuss about functional and class components today, and after that we will discuss about props also, functional components and class components. I already told you functional components are very famous, and in the latest version, most of the React applications are actually working with the functional components. It is actually defining using with the function keyword and functional components. One more time, I'm actually discussing about it. Functional components allows only props, and functional component did not maintain state, did not maintain state. Okay, so and functional component only have return value, return a single value. So anytime return means single value. And come to the class components. Class components are basically defined with the class keyword. Defined with class keyword. And one more thing, class component allows props and state. And one more thing, class component maintain state lifecycle. And one more thing, class component have render and return. And render and return keywords. Okay, so we will try to understand how the functional component and class component will be, but most of the latest applications are using functional components only. Class components people are not using. Compared to the functional components, class components are slow. Compared to class component, functional are speed in execution. Compared to functional components, compared to functional class components are slow in execution. Compared to functional components, class components are slow in execution. So these are the points you have to remember. Now we will try to see one simple example how the functional component and how class component will work out. Okay, so let me take two components now. I am trying to creating two components here. The one is functional component, functional com. That's it. Functional com.js. Now come to the functional component.js. Okay, so import React from React. And let me try to create a simple functional component now. Function, okay, functional underscore component. Okay, that's it. And which is going to be having something like return value, which is going to be having some return value. So this is going to be returning h1. And let me write something functional component, and that should be export default and functional component. And instead of writing this export default like this, here only you can write like export default. Export default you can write here only instead of writing the below here, or you can go with the as usual process, normal process like this. Okay, now try to import this functional component into the app.js. Import functional component in app.js. Import functional component from. Okay, functional component. Let's see. Let's see. Okay. import functional component from. See why this is not coming like functional component. It is not exporting, I think so. Oh my God, I just want to export it. Okay, so export here. Without export, you cannot able to do access it. Right. Now this is actually importing functional component from functional comp. Okay. Functional comp. Now come to, and here it is compo and here it is comp. Okay, no problem. Come to app.js and let me try to switch off the complete where I'm trying to executing all the values. So here I don't want to header. I don't want a frame also. And let me access the functional component. Okay. Now, let's see this functional component will execute in the terminal. So take a new terminal, take a new terminal here and close the things previous ones. npm start. Now I'm trying to launching the functional component. Inside one functional component, you can add sub-functional components also. That is there. That is there. Okay. Okay, so I have functional component got added on top of the screen. Now, what my requirement is, come to the functional component here. I want to add more and more functional component here. Okay, let fun one or can I go? Let me go with my city. My city is equal to, I need to write a simple arrow function. This is called arrow function. Let me go with the constant. It's not a variable, this constant kind of thing. Okay, so this is arrow function. You know about arrow functions, right? ES6. ES6 follows arrow function. And what this is going to be return a value. So my city, Hyderabad. My city, Hyderabad. Okay, let's have the my country now. Const. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. So whenever you have the thing, you can go with whenever you have the function, you can go with capital letter. That is important. Now arrow function, and this will be return value. No need to export and import here. Why? Because of in the same functional component file, we are actually creating the sub functions. That is why reason no export, no import. If it is a separate file, then export and import and require. But it is not separate file, right? So if it is not separate file, no worries about it. My country is India. My country is India. Okay, or Bharat. Okay, so let's go and try to utilize it. Oh, now I want to use inside the functional component. I want to return a value. I will take a division now. Okay, so let's take a division. Division. Why? Because of it's a container. Whenever you have two functions, I need to import here. Whenever I need to import two sub functions into the main function, first of all, you have to take any function return a single component or single value, single element. That is the reason I'm taking a single element like a division here. Inside the division, I want to take two important things. One is the my city, one is the my country. Let me take my city and let me take my country also. So my city and my country both are there. Okay, you can import like that and you can import like this. Even it is available in the self-closed tag or it is a open and close tag also. Both will be allowed. Okay, finally execute it. And my city is Hyderabad, my country is India or Bharat. My country is Bharat. Okay, fine. Now you can see the output of this program. So just to save the program, automatically it is redirected to the actual page. It is redirected to the actual page. This is the major function we are actually exporting. This is the major function we are exporting here. And that function only I'm importing here. Can you see this? That function only I'm importing here. So can I switch off all this? Or you can delete it. It is not required. It is not required. Now you can delete it. That is previous program. I'm just deleting that. And this is the functional component. And for this functional component, what we have is for this functional component, what we have is we have two other sub functions also. Let's go and check it out. One is my city and one is my country. And here, my city and my country, here my city is one function and my country is the one function. And my city is using here and my country also using here. But here, the container tag is important. Any function, this is the major function. This is the global function, major function. But this function returns a single value. Any function returns a single value. That is the reason I am taking a single value as division. But inside the division, I can take 1 and 2. Two components I'm actually trying to return. Inside the single component, inside the single element, I'm trying to attaching multiple elements like my city and my country. And if you want my name also, you can able to do it. Okay, let me go with my name also. Okay, so let me go with my name. Const my name is equal to, okay, parenthesis require parameters. Later we will do that. And here, just go and return. Let me go with H1. Again, H1 I'm taking. Srinivas. Go and plan. Okay, so this is the another my name function. So I'm just trying to return, render them. Sorry, return the my names. My name, my city, my country. Two ways. You can return as self-closed tag or you can return as open tag and close tag. Both will work. Both will work, sir. Remember it. Okay, so yeah, Srinivas Gorantla, my city, my Hyderabad, and my country is something like Bharat. Okay, so this is about functional. This is about functional component. Functional component. And later we will discuss about props in the functional component. Okay, fine. So have a good day. Signing off. And please subscribe my channel. If you don't subscribe, you cannot able to see my latest videos, and you cannot able to see. You cannot able to follow my playlist also. I'm trying to giving all full stack related playlist for you. Also free of course. No need to pay anything. All full stack related playlists I'm going to be uploading into the YouTube, step by step, concept by concept. Okay, by the number. So you follow the 0, 1, 2, 3 like that. If it is the last video is 150, 150 is the last video. The number, each and every video by number wise, I'm trying to uploading in my YouTube channel like Code with Srini. You follow with me, Code with Srini. Like, share, comment, and just give some support. I want to upload more and more videos for you. Signing off. See you.